Are you looking for the best snack tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best snack tables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. PJ Wood Snack Table Natural Tray TV Table. The product comes with a natural finish and wooden frame. It is made using solid plantation rubber wood and bears a single rectangular top. It comes pre-assembled, so no need to worry about assembling it. Additionally, the styling is modern and safe for end users. It is also stable, durable and multifunctional. It can be folded easily and ideal for holding laptop, drinks, foods and snacks. Besides, the snack table can be stored easily and fits the living room perfectly, aside from being easy to clean. Number 4. Songmike's Snack Table Sofa Side Table Brown. The product is heavy-duty and can act as a side table for your living room. The wooden top is brown and has a sturdy C-shape. Its metal frame provides additional durability. Additionally, the product is easy to install. The feet are fitted with plastic adjusters to prevent them from scratching the floor. It can fit under a low-clearance sofa and can also hold your snacks, cups, remotes, and iPad. Moreover, it can support book reading, while you enjoy your dessert, food, and coffee. Number 3. Sharper Image Tilt Snack Table Adjustable Best Over Bed Table. This brand of snack table has an adjustable tilt and can provide space for items, like laptop, books, iPad in addition to your snacks. Consequently, it is a multi-purpose snack table perfect for the home and office. Furthermore, it features 360-degree tabletop motion, which is possible without moving the base. It is a qualitative, durable and heavy-duty snack table. Number 2. TableMate 2 Tray Black TV Table Folding Tray. This brand of snack table can be adjusted to 3 angles and 6 heights. It is multifunctional and fits your working, eating and reading needs. Additionally, it features built-in cup holder to prevent your drink from spilling while you are working. Aside from being versatile, the snack table is equally built for comfort. It can be folded for easy storage in a closet or next to a couch. Number 1. Winsome Oversize Walnut Snack Table Set Bed Tray. The snacks table is undoubtedly among the best being sold today. It can function as a bed tray and snack table. Additionally, it is made of composite, solid wood, and its antique walnut finish makes it exceptionally fashionable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.